So tonight is all about drone footage that has been captured. We're gonna see if we can find some crazy stuff. All right, let's go.
The scariest moment of their life.
Like, you are so freaking done. Yeah. You're gonna get mangled up and stuff. I would love to take like a kayak and like go through.
Yeah, through the rapids. Yeah.
That would be so freaking epic. Cameron, you better not crash this thing, dude, because like usually we can go get the drone, but if you land it in this river, like it's going like miles upstream.
I'm not crashing in the river. If I'm crashing, it's gonna be at the temple, bro. No?
Yeah, let's not do that. Yo, that's it.
That's it right there.
That's the temple. That's the temple. You guys see that? You guys see that?
It's on the edge of the cliff.
Oh my God.
Well, I feel like they about to see something they're not supposed to see. Normally, that's how it goes when you be out and you just be using a drone exploring something. You find something you wish you had never seen.
Look at that. It's literally like this old abandoned fortress.
Okay, yo, that's a little much, bro.
And it's colorful too. Do you notice how many colors there are?
Yeah. It's all the graffiti and stuff from everyone that's been in there. Maybe the satanic cult people.
Yeah.
Holy.
I can't lie. If this wasn't haunted, it'd be hard for pictures, bro.
Yeah.
Some fire pictures there, but
Cameron's always worried about the Instagram.
what are you thinking about?
Cameron,
right
never
now?
mind the Instagram, right? Do you see where we are? Just focus on the drone for now.
I got you.
Holy crap. Look at that river, guys. Oh my God. Holy crap. Yo, I wonder where that river like leads to. Like, where does it come from?
Maybe there's more like temples all over the.
Yeah.
Okay, that would
Imagine
be a
there was
little
more
much.
than one temple.
Oh, I'm sure there is.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. We may not have seen nothing scary yet, you know what I mean? Because it says the scarier moments of their life, but taking a drone out to like see stuff like that is super dope to me. I could do that all day long. You know what I mean? I just never learned. Like, I bought my kids a drone one time for like Christmas, but it was one of those flimsy little drones, and within probably the first hour or so, they had done crashed it and broke it. You know what I mean? It was done pretty quick, and at the time, I don't know, man. Those things were the hardest things to control. So when I see them, it didn't that drone look super stable to y'all? That was like extremely stable, and I was jealous of that because every time we tried to play with one, I guess we didn't use it enough to get good with it. But every time we tried to use a drone, man, that drone, it was hard to control. I need me one with great balance and easy to control. You know what I mean?
Guys, I think this place was used as like a defense like temple. Like they would sit up on top of the cliff here and like shoot anyone coming down on boats that would try to attack. Like that's one of the rumors.
It's actually crazy how they built it like right on the edge of the cliff like that.
Look at the stairs.
The scariest.
How that thing, I don't know if the story he's telling is true because everybody can just easily make up a story like that, but the way it's kind of designed makes it seem like it's somewhat some truth to that. You kind of want to have something built up high so you can see far out. Nobody can really sneak up on you. You know what I mean? So that would make a lot of sense. Yeah, I would definitely do that with a drone.
A drone drifted over a residential area in Overland Park. Two boys on bikes spotted it overhead, and that's when they jumped off their bikes to have a go at it. You can see one of the kids pick something up. I'm assuming a rock, but the drone is much too high up to actually knock it down. The kids follow it for a while, but don't come close enough to truly taking it down, although they make a valiant effort to do so. Eventually, they give up, but the drone doesn't. It continues to follow them for a good 8 minutes, with the boys getting fed up enough every now and then to stop and throw more rocks.
Y'all know that's what it's gonna be like for us, right? With these drones pretty soon. I don't know if you've been living up under a rock lately, but yeah, like birds. You walk outside, say for instance in the morning, you get up, you fix your coffee, you walk outside just to get you a breath of fresh air, start your day type of situation. Do you know there could be potentially a bird that you would think nothing of, just a random bird out there that you would be sitting in your robe drinking your coffee? That's how I imagine starting my mornings. I never do that though, but you in your robe drinking your coffee and you see a bird, so you don't think nothing of it, but it's actually a drone. Made to look exactly like a bird. It's a drone. That's where we're headed. Insects, fly, bee, something that you may not really pay attention to it, could be a drone. You see where I'm headed with this? Yeah, No privacy, it seems like, in the future.
Certainly a scary and bizarre encounter for both parties involved. A drone drifted over a residential area in Overland Park. Two boys on bikes spotted it over.
Man, we was just talking about volcanoes too, weren't we? You know, but this is the beauty of it now. How is it able to sustain all this heat that I would imagine is coming from this volcano? I don't know. But to be able to get footage of an actual, this up and close of an actual volcanic eruption, this is golden footage right here. Wow. Wow. How is it just like, how is it enduring the heat? Wow. Here it comes. Wow. So amazing, yet so disturbingly deadly at the same time. You know what I mean? I could probably watch that footage over and over and over again. That's just epic to me, just to see that. This freak of nature anomaly that happens on this unstable planet happens. Wow. Wow, wow. I was so hoping they left the drone there. I mean, for this type of footage, you gotta sacrifice the drone, don't we? Wouldn't you? I would. Most definitely got. I don't care. You gotta get this footage. This footage alone pays for the drone. Sorry. Like, you gotta sacrifice the drone to get this type of footage. I was hoping it exploded up and then the screen went black because it took the drone out. That's what I was hoping for. Still in all, what we got though, yeah, epic footage there, bro. Epic footage.
These abandoned luxury homes sit out in the middle of the Arizona desert. They were built sometime before 2008 and were virtually complete. However, the project got put on hold due to zoning issues followed by the crash of 2008. After that, it never picked back up. Some people have claimed they've seen lights on out here at night and shadows, begging the question, are they really abandoned? Nature has since reclaimed these homes, but what if somebody was living in these abandoned luxury homes?
I mean, I'm pretty sure we could find some different things to do. Imagine you had that out near you, by you somewhere, and go out there and play like little war games and stuff like that, paintball and different types of games like that. But scratch that thought. That's just the inner child in me thinking about games you could play. Like, you know what I mean? You could have your own little Call of Duty session out there with different types of things. You know, that's the child. The adult in me is looking at these like these are all government facilities. Convince me they're not. People are seeing lights come from them at night, different things. What a better cover up. You're not going out there. Look at it. The trees have taken over, bushes, all of plant life is growing up through it. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, that's why you know no, it's abandoned and nobody's in there. No, that's what they want you to think. This could be Area 51 all over again, and it's just a different look. This little spot right here, this big house right here that we're looking at could be a facility that goes underground. They could be reverse engineering alien spacecrafts down there. They could have aliens down there. See what I'm saying? Like, I'm not just taking on first glance of them saying, oh, hey, that's, no, not me, not at all.
Okay, I live in Nebraska, and around this time last year, we were seeing a whole bunch of drones coming through Colorado, up into western Nebraska, throughout eastern Nebraska, across the entire state. No one knew who they were, what they were doing, why they were flying around, but there were tons and tons of drones. And then after kind of Corona hit, no one saw any drones or anything was happening with them at all. Now, for the past month, I've been seeing these drones again throughout the sky, and they're everywhere. Like, they're flying all over. Again, no one knows who they are, what they're doing, why they're around, but there's just these random huge drones. They're not like regular drones. They are large, loud ass drones. So if anyone knows what these drones are doing and why they are here, please put it in the comments. Thank you.
We need to start recording this stuff. This is the type of stuff that needs to go viral. Anytime you think, take your phone out. You using it anyway. You stay on social media, pull your phone out. If it's something, take a picture, record, and post it. Even if you don't know and you guess, and put it online where others can look at it and help you diagnose and see what it is. Like, we need to start keeping track of what's going on, or we're going to step outside one day, bro, and not recognize anything. You're going to be scared of everything. You're going to walk outside, you're going to look at that. Is that a drone? That thing moves funny. Is that a drone? What is that? Did y'all hear that? Something that don't sound like a normal bird. That sound like a normal bird too. Like, we're gonna be so paranoid soon. That is gonna, yeah. I'm telling you.
It's a drone. It's been here doing the same thing for a day. Look at its movement. That's not a real butterfly. That's a drone. That's the government watching us.
I ain't gonna lie.
Okay,
I ain't gonna lie, that did kind of move kind of suspect. Like, it didn't look like it was getting ready to launch. It looked like it'd been there for a while. Now, some people be like, oh man, it could be stuck. It could be. It could be going through, it could be having a bad day. I think butterflies are entitled to have a bad day as well, just like we are. But yeah, what if that wasn't though? Now it's some type of spy device, drone or something like that to keep tabs, It could be cameras. What if they were in an Airbnb? That's another thing you got to think about, bro. That's why I'm like, I don't know. We need to figure out a way to be able to detect these devices. What do y'all use when you go to, and this will spark a whole conversation. When you go to a Airbnb, what is some of the first things you do to make sure that you're safe, secure, nobody's not watching you? What are some things you do? What can you do? Is there a way to scan for devices? And the reason why I say that, because I was watching a video. Y'all might have seen it too. I might have showed it, where they were talking about these robots and AI and different technology and stuff like that, and how they were able to tap into some of the devices that we have in our home and turn them into cameras. That part. Yeah, your expression. I can't even see it, but I know it's bad. I know your face is all, what? Huh? Yep. Yeah, I heard that. Heard it on the internet, so it got to be true. I don't know. But, what if? So what do you do when you go stay in these Airbnbs? How do you know? And the person who owns the Airbnb could be like, oh, we're just trying to protect ourselves. We've had vandalism. We had different things happen. We're just trying to put things around and we're trying to be discreet about it. Yeah. I understand what you're saying, but still, I rented this out. I want my privacy. You know what I mean? I want my privacy. So